Have you ever heard of festivals where people chase cheese down a hill or toss tomatoes at each other for fun? Well, get ready to be surprised because today we're diving into the world of the weirdest and most bizarre festivals celebrated around the globe. From ancient rituals to modern-day extravaganzas, these events will leave you scratching your head in wonder. So, without further ado, let's embark on this extraordinary journey. Certainly! Here are descriptions of 10 bizarre festivals celebrated around the globe. La Tomatina, Spain. Held annually in Bugal, Spain, La Tomatina is the world's largest tomato fight. Thousands of participants gather in the streets to hurl ripe tomatoes at each other, turning the town into a red, pulpy mess in a celebration of fun and camaraderie. The Running of the Bulls, Spain. Originating in Pamplona, Spain, this festival involves participants running alongside a group of bulls through narrow streets. It's a thrilling and dangerous tradition that draws adrenaline junkies from around the world to test their speed and agility. Songkran, Thailand. Known as the Thai New Year, Songkran is celebrated with the world's largest water fight. People take to the streets armed with water guns and buckets to drench each other in a joyful and refreshing display of unity and cleansing. Kanemaru Matsuri, Japan. This Japanese festival, also known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus, celebrates fertility and sexual health. Participants parade through the streets carrying giant phallus-shaped shrines, indulging in phallic-shaped foods, and praying for prosperity. Up Helly AA, Scotland. Originating in Lerwick, Scotland, Up Helly AA is a Viking fire festival celebrated in January. Participants dress up as Vikings, carry torches, and march through the streets before burning a replica Viking longship in a spectacular bonfire. El Calacho, Spain. Commonly known as the Baby Jumping Festival, this Spanish tradition takes place in Castrillo de Murcia. Men dressed as devils leap over rows of babies laid out on mattresses, symbolizing the cleansing of sin and protection from evil spirits. Day of the Dead, Mexico. Celebrated throughout Mexico, the Day of the Dead is a colorful and vibrant holiday honoring deceased loved ones. Families create elaborate altars adorned with photos, candles, and marigolds, and gather to share food, music, and memories. Cheese Rolling, England. Held annually on Cooper's Hill in Gloucestershire, England, the Cheese Rolling Festival involves participants chasing a wheel of cheese down a steep hill. It's a chaotic and exhilarating event that often results in tumbles and scrapes, but it's all in good fun. The Monkey Buffet Festival, Thailand. Taking place in Lopburi, Thailand, this festival involves offering a lavish feast to the local monkey population. Tables are laden with fruits, vegetables, and sweets, and monkeys are free to feast to their heart's content in a celebration of harmony between humans and animals. Boryong Mud Festival, South Korea. Held in Boryong, South Korea, this festival revolves around the therapeutic properties of mud. Participants engage in mud wrestling, mud sliding, and even mud painting, all while enjoying live music, food stalls, and vibrant atmosphere. These festivals showcase the rich tapestry of human culture and the myriad ways in which communities come together to celebrate life, tradition, and shared experiences. And there you have it, folks. 10 of the most bizarre festivals celebrated around the world. From tomatoes to monkeys, it's clear that humanity knows how to throw a party unlike any other. Which festival surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Peak 10 Picks for more fascinating content from around the globe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.